Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a user account on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete a user account on Windows 11 computer, log in with a different user, and you should not delete your currently signed in user. Now I'm going to show how to delete. Right click on start menu and then click on computer management. Here you will find local users and groups. Expand it and click on users. Here you will find the users list. Now I'm going to delete this user, John Paul. Right click on the user and click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete the user John Paul? And be sure each user account has a unique identifier in addition to their username. Deleting a user account deletes the identifier and it cannot be restored. Now click on yes and look, the user has been deleted. This is the easiest way to delete a user account on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.